next speech, we have Franco Mioni from G's Recycling. He's going to talk about circularity of thermoset matrix composites, G's Recycling, technology, and market.
Good. Okay. So good afternoon, everybody. I'm Franco Mioni, CEO of G's Recycling. That is a small, innovative company involved in the circular economy of composite plastic materials. So first of all, quickly to explain that when we say plastic, there's a lot of plastics. There's thermoplastics, the one most of you already know, that is, for example, the plastic of the water bottles. So thermoplastic, you can recover and turn a bottle into a new bottle. When we talk about thermosets, means those plastic molecula do not go back to the liquid version as they are produced by chemical reaction. So there's an additional problem to recover and recycle. That's why they are also called difficult plastics. The way to recover, to recycle, may be thermochemical, like pyrolysis or other techniques that try to separate the organic component, so the plastic component, from the fibers, to be reused as a new secondary raw material. But unfortunately, you have high investments to do to reach economical scale big enough to get back your investments, and the quality of the secondary raw material are lower, much lower than virgin. So our company made a different choice to use a mechanical system of recycling. I will just show you very quickly so it may be more efficient, the explanation. So here you will see a material that looks like a wooden chipboard, for example. Wooden chipboard is an example of mechanical recycling. So we turn wood into chips and then chips into a new material. Fortunately, in 2010, when we start this adventure, nobody cared too much about the recycling, and nobody have investment to do in the recycling technologies of the thermoset. So we have been able to get a patent, an industrial patent, Italian, European, and then also USA patent, and start investing on this business also from an industrial point of view. Very briefly, so this is an example of our capability of turn not only composite material, but also sandwich material. So production of the composites material, for example, for the wind turbines, create additional difficulties to the recovery, because composite plastics are also mixed with rigid foams or laminated thermosets material. So this increase the problem of recycling. Then our challenge was to be very efficient in the recycling system and very easy to market these products, because the key point is a recovery plant, a recycling plant have authorization from the local regional authorities based on their capacity of close the loop. So get the waste, turn the waste into secondary raw material, and then turn the secondary raw material into new products. And this must happen within a limited time. So within 1 year, you have to sell what you get, what you turn into new products. So means you not only have the issue of be efficient in the recovery and the recycling, but you also have to be efficient in the marketing of the products. So we choose a concept that is our material must be competitive with other materials already on the market, such as wood or solid surface material like technopolymers. I don't know if, okay, you know, or maybe not, but means the recycled material must be work by our clients exactly as they work wood or other similar materials. So we must give additional performance compared to those materials, but not without creating problems on the work of the material. So that was the main reason we choose the mechanical process. Mechanical process is very smart and turn the waste into new materials that are very similar than not the same they come from. So we cannot make a wind blade from the wind blade recovery, but we can make a furniture from the wind blade recovery. And this furniture, compared with a wooden furniture, have additional features, additional performance, like to be water resistant or to be stable at low and high temperature. So this was the strategy that have been the strategy that bring us to succeed and develop the concept. Let me say about the rules, very strict rules about the tracing of the waste. So we are able to say and demonstrate every table we sell. This table was made by waste coming from a certain company or client, and in that date, in such quantities, etc., etc. Of course, this means we are involved in three big situations that are complexities compared to a virgin material maker. We have to look at the environmental and waste rules. We have to be effective on the production, and we have to be very good on the design and the marketing, because we are talking about new materials. So it's not like to say, okay, I sell wood. Everybody know wood. Everybody know how to work with wood, etc. As soon as you talk about new material, you have one more problem. Compare your competitors. That is, you have to teach, you have to explain, you have to certificate, you have to demonstrate, etc., etc. So it's very important for us to cooperate with designer architects and have such occasion like today to meet people, share ideas, and talk about how composites can be, instead of a big environmental problem, an effective and good material for green design. We are not new on the market, so already a lot of brands, fortunately, understood. With a long road we make together to teach, to explain, etc., etc. But down, fortunately, you can see also famous brands using the material. We have a continuous work with professional peoples, as I said before, because we have this very important job to do, that is to sell the product we recycle. And of course, we have also distributors, specialized distributors that can make some kind of network or echo of our job. That is also important. And last, we talk about circular economy. So as some previous intervention speech here, yeah, we have open loops and closed loops. So open means we have a lot of clients asking for recycled products, so means we can open the door to recover. So the companies that make, for example, industrial waste. But other situation, we create circular for the waste producer. So the companies, the same company that produce the waste is also able to reuse the panels, and that's a perfect goal. Here, very briefly, thanks to the European, to the EU, because we have to say it's a lot of projects and investments was made thanks to the Horizon projects, Interreg projects, so region and EU. And so briefly, you can see here a photo gallery of what happens. So the production of the panels, the use of the panel, different applications, and okay, that's a good job for for us. Thank you. Thank you.